everyone, my name is Vivian Patrick. I am the Vice President of FAAI. You have taken the first step towards building your family with Nordic Earth IVF support. Now, imagine being part of a community that celebrates your journey and empowers others. The Fertility Awareness Advocacy Initiative, FAAI, that's FAAI, is a supportive network of families who have walked your shoes. By joining us, you will connect with others who understand your journey, share your stories and inspire hope in others, participate in events and support groups, help break the stigma surrounding fertility challenges, and perhaps help salvage a family that is on the brink of a possible breakup. Together, we can create a ripple effect of hope and support. Join in FAAI today and become part of a movement that's changing lives. To learn more about FAAI, join our community. Contact us via 090-3737-0253. Let's build a brighter future together. Thank you and see you there.